If you are bored with the kitchen backsplash in your home, then in this video you will get many variations of the backsplash which are very decorative and impressive. The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes. A kitchen backsplash is more than just a splash guard, but also a central eye-catcher. Whether it's the classic backsplash or a back wall made of glass, wood or metal, the kitchen backsplash contributes a lot to the appearance of the kitchen. That's why we have various creative kitchen splashback ideas for you here. You can redesign your kitchen at any time without requiring a great deal of manual skill.